In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix common Cinema 4D application errors. If Cinema 4D is crashing, failing to launch, or throwing strange viewport errors, don't panic. We'll move through a clear sequence, starting with the most common cause and working toward deeper fixes. After each change, reopen Cinema 4D to see if the problem is resolved before moving on. First, update your graphics drivers. Many Cinema 4D issues stem from outdated or buggy GPU drivers, especially with viewport rendering and OpenGL or Metal features. On Windows, grab the latest driver directly from your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, for the exact model you're using. Avoid generic drivers when possible. On macOS, graphics updates are bundled with system updates, so check for and install the latest macOS update. After updating, restart your machine, then try launching Cinema 4D again. If that doesn't help, reset Cinema 4D's preferences and remove any third-party plugins. Preferences can become corrupted over time, and plugins are a frequent source of conflicts, particularly after major version updates. If you can open the app, go to Preferences and use the option to open the Preferences folder, then close Cinema 4D. Rename the Preferences folder so the application creates a fresh one on next launch. If you have custom layouts or scripts, back them up first so you can restore them later. For plugins, move all third-party plugin folders out of Cinema 4D's plugins directory and start the app clean. If Cinema 4D runs smoothly after that, reintroduce plugins one at a time to identify the culprit. For persistent issues, consider reinstalling the application. Uninstall Cinema 4D, restart your computer, and download the latest installer from the official source. A clean reinstall replaces missing or corrupted files that preference resets can't repair. Once installed, launch the program before you add back any old preferences or plugins just to confirm the base install is stable. Finally, if you're on Windows, check firewall or registry-related blocks. Sometimes a strict firewall rule can interfere with licensing, updates, or essential network calls that Cinema 4D relies on. Ensure the application is allowed through Windows Firewall, then relaunch. If you suspect registry problems are involved, proceed carefully and consult official documentation or support before making changes, as incorrect edits can destabilize your system. By moving from driver updates to clean preferences and plugins, to a reinstall and finally checking Windows-specific settings, you'll cover the most likely causes of Cinema 4D errors in a safe, methodical way. Take it step by step, test after each change, and you should be back to creating in no time.